Hello, this is Mr. Hillary, and I just wanted to give a real quick overview and introduction to this assignment. It is a WebQuest assignment. And for a moment, I'd like you to pretend that you all have been recruited by NASA to do a presentation on various astronomy concepts. You'll be working with a team of scientists. Your fellow scientists are in your group at your tables. We do have 7 tables in our classroom, and I've picked 8 different topics that we'll pretend that NASA's asked you to present on. And we'll present them in class in form so that it can be given to NASA. So your group will pick first off which of the topics, and I'm just going to basically draw numbers, and then each group gets to pick. First group gets to pick whichever topic they want, and last group, because I have 8 topics and 7 tables, or 7 groups of scientists, that means even the last group will have a choice at least on what their topic is. So here are the topics. I have seasons, tides, rotation of the Earth, moon phases, lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, model of the solar system, which would include the planets, their orders, the relative distances, and things like that. And I also have orbit and revolution. So those are 8 topics, and in a little bit I'll be able to call groups one at a time to pick which topic they have. For this assignment, your group will be working on doing research, which will be online research. I have a whole bunch of websites you can use to help you research information needed to put together your presentation. You'll also put together a notebook software, just like I use in class. So you see me all the time use the smartboard, and I use notebook software. And your group at the computer lab or with the mobile laptops labs will each member of your group will make one slide for the presentation, and we'll merge all the slides together so it makes one 4-sided, slided, or 3-slided presentation, depending on if you're a 4-person group or 3-person group, so that it can be presented to the class. So we'll have about several days to work on this assignment, of course, doing the research and then actually creating and designing your slides, and then I'll help you in saving it on the W drive. It's shared for all of our school to look at, including me, and I can help you merge the slides together so that you have one file for your team. And then we'll have a presentation day where each group will come up and they will, using the smartboard, you can use your presentation, and you'll evenly spread the workload both in research and in design of the presentation, but also in the presentation itself. So really each person can explain their own slide to the group. When we're done, I do have a rubric for evaluation. There's actually 2 rubrics. One rubric is a peer evaluation rubric. So on presentation day, after you've seen a group present, you're going to rate them. And I do have that rubric available for you, and you can look at it beforehand so you can see how you're going to be scored. And then there's also a teacher component, and I'll use that rubric to score you, and we'll merge the scores together to get an overall grade. I also, when we're finished, will ask that you complete a survey online that will basically give me some feedback as far as what you thought of this project. Is it something that maybe Mr. Hillary should try next year, or is it something Mr. Hillary should probably scrap and not ever use again? So I really appreciate your feedback on that. This sounds like, I really hope at least, it's going to be a really good, fun presentation project that you can work as a team and learn a lot while you have a lot of fun at the same time. So that's the project. On this page, if you scroll down, you can see all the components and parts of the project itself. Thanks.